Each of them. Each of them to grow, yeah? Wow. Wow, you do a good job. How about this one? How about that one? Look at what? Look. They grow like that. You can
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah.
It's like a cocoon.
Yeah, that one too. Look at that. There's two of them. Yeah.
Now I'm getting this one.
You just give them some water. They will grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, because if it drinks lots of water, it will grow big and strong like my daddy.
Yeah, that's correct.
Once when I was there, when Daddy was a little boy, he went oh, he was bigger enough to water.
How about this one? This one. Yeah. Oh, you did a great job. Huh?